Picture this. It's the night before a massive exam. You're completely surrounded by a sea of highlighters, sticky notes are literally everywhere, and you've just reread the same textbook chapter for the third time. Yet, despite 3 straight hours of nonstop studying, you still have that sinking, panicked feeling that you don't actually know any of it. We've all been there, right? But what if I told you that this whole cycle of cramming and panicking is entirely optional? Well, welcome to today's Explainer, where I'm going to give you the ultimate cheat code to fix your study habits forever. We are going to build a complete, foolproof exam preparation system using AI. Here is a quick look at our agenda. We're covering 1, the cramming trap, 2, plan and understand, 3, test and fix gaps, 4, the night before review, and 5, the complete system. And the best part is you can do all of this using free tools like Claude or ChatGPT. All right, starting us off with Section 1, the cramming trap, why rereading fails. Okay, let's dive into this, because we really need to address the elephant in the room here. 3 hours of highlighting paragraphs and rereading your notes simply doesn't equal actual studying. It just creates the illusion of studying. You sit there, you recognize the words on the page, and your brain says, ah yes, I know this. But here's the catch. Recognition is not retention. Research consistently shows that passive studying barely moves the needle on your actual exam performance. What actually works is active recall. This means forcing your brain to retrieve information from memory rather than just passively observing it. Every single time you retrieve a memory, you're strengthening the neural pathway to it. And AI is simply the fastest, most effective tool available to force your brain into this state of active recall. It's an absolute game changer. Moving right along to Section 2, plan and understand, steps 1 and 2. Look, before you try to memorize a single fact, you need a strategy. Jumping blindly into the material is exactly how you end up desperately cramming at 2 a.m. So step 1 is building your study map. Now, what do most students actually do? They crack open their textbook or their notes, and they just start reading from page 1. As a result, they spend the vast majority of their valuable study time on the introductory concepts they probably already know, and then they completely run out of time when they hit the really hard, heavily tested material at the very end. Well, we're not going to do that. We are going to build a personalized schedule that targets your absolute weakest, most important spots first. Here's the exact step 1 prompt you're going to feed into your AI. You'll tell it, I have an exam on subject in X days. The topics covered are, list them. Based on what's typically most heavily tested, rank these topics by importance, then build me a day-by-day study plan that prioritizes my weakest areas. You just fill in your specific subject, your timeline, and your topics. And remember, the more specific you are, the better the output. Instantly, the AI is going to hand you a personalized day-by-day study schedule built completely around what actually matters for your exam. You now have a foolproof plan of attack. And this brilliantly illustrates our next move. Step 2, understand before you memorize. For this, you'll tell the AI, explain this topic to me in simple terms. Use an analogy to something from everyday life. Then explain why it matters. Now, why do we do this? Because your brain literally cannot store confusion. It simply rejects it. You just can't memorize what you don't actually understand. By asking the AI for an everyday analogy, you're giving your brain a super familiar hook to hang this new, complex information on. And by asking why it matters, you give yourself the vital context that separates true understanding from just mindless rote memorization. Just run your prioritized topics through this prompt, and you'll actually get it. Now, for Section 3, test and fix gaps, steps 3 and 4. Excellent. So you've got a plan, and you actually understand the core concepts. Now we move into the real active studying phase, taking a generated practice test and doing surgical revisions to fix your errors. This is where you actually build that crucial exam day performance. Here's your step 3 prompt. You're going to ask the AI to create a practice exam, include 10 questions, make the difficulty match a real exam. Do not give me the answers yet. But listen closely, because this comes with some strict rules. When that practice test generates, you've got to treat it like the real thing. Close your notes, put your phone in another room, set a timer. You have to answer strictly from memory. If you peek at your notes, you're falling right back into passive recognition, and you're just cheating your own brain out of the active recall workout it desperately needs. Once you've bravely stumbled through your practice exam, you'll paste your answers back into the AI with this follow-up prompt. So, the crucial point is right here. You don't just want a basic score out of 10. You need to ask the AI, grade each one, and for every mistake explain why my thinking went wrong and what the correct answer is. Knowing exactly why your thinking was flawed is infinitely more valuable than a simple right or wrong grade. I mean, this customized feedback is pure gold. It illuminates the exact dark corners of your knowledge. And that brings us perfectly to step 4, which is fixing those weak spots. Your practice exam just lit up exactly where you're struggling. Now, the old way of studying would have you go all the way back and reread the entire chapter just to fix that one gap. We are completely abandoning that. Now, you're going to go surgical. You only fix what is broken, targeting exactly what tripped you up and completely ignoring the stuff you already proved you know. So for every question you got wrong, use this surgical step 4 prompt. I got this wrong. Explain the correct concept from the ground up. Then give me 3 more questions just like this one so I can practice until I get it right. You just drill down on that specific narrow weak spot with new, targeted practice questions until the concept finally clicks and sticks. By the end of this step, I promise you, those knowledge gaps are completely closed. Next up, section 4, the night before review, step 5. We're now entering the final phase, the actual night before the exam. Historically, yeah, this is the time of high anxiety and frantic page flipping. But under this AI system, your only goal tonight is strictly consolidation. You're just reinforcing what's already in your brain. You are absolutely not trying to frantically cram new information into it at the 11th hour. You'll simply tell your AI assistant, I have my exam tomorrow. Give me a rapid-fire review, 15 key facts or concepts I absolutely must remember, then 5 quick questions to confirm I know them. Keep it sharp and concise. This prompts the AI to filter out all the extra noise and generate a highly focused review that locks in only the absolute essentials. Now, what's really interesting about the slide is that number, 15. This highly effective, heavily condensed night before review should literally only take you about 15 minutes to complete. Just think about that. You are entirely replacing hours and hours of panicked, ineffective rereading with a calm, 15-minute active recall exercise that actually cements the knowledge in your mind. And after those 15 minutes are up, you close the laptop and you get 8 hours of sleep. Period. Do not negotiate on this. This isn't just generic wellness advice. Neuroscience proves unequivocally that a well-rested brain drastically outperforms a tired, cramming brain on exams every single time. While you sleep, your brain is actively consolidating the memories and those active recall pathways you built during your study session, so sleep is literally a core part of the studying process. Let's move to and see how this builds in section 5, the complete system recap. You know, it really doesn't matter if you're studying cellular biology, advanced calculus, ancient history, or macroeconomics. The AI prompts adapt whatever you feed them, but the system itself stays exactly the same. Let's quickly walk through your new roadmap one last time. I highly recommend you screenshot this right now. Step 1, build your study map. Step 2, use analogies to understand. Step 3, take a practice exam from memory. Step 4, fix weak spots surgically. Step 5, a 15-minute final review. Your system is totally ready. Which brings me to you. What subject is your next exam on? Are you ready to finally ditch that tired old highlighter, step away from the passive reading, and try something that actually works? I challenge you to try just step 1 tonight. Take 10 minutes, open your AI tool, and generate your map. Once you see the absolute clarity it brings, you're never going to cram again. And it kind of begs the question, if AI can revolutionize how you study in just 10 minutes, what other hard tasks in your life are you needlessly doing the old-fashioned way? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.